Okay. So let's get into this. So I think I should be careful with doing a bunch of stuff like this, because there's a risk that I get like stuck in doing this and doing a bunch of work that I might not actually need. I think it's better to jump into this. What on earth is this? Also compiles scheme output when compiling project. What? Oh, right. Yeah. Right. Yeah, that's interesting. We're not doing that now though. So let's put this here. Let's do this. So we have an effect monad. That's basically it. We don't have any way to deal with numbers or anything. Okay. All right. I have some ideas about numbers and so on later on, but okay. So I'm thinking, let's just jump into this. Doing hello SDL3 window. Okay, let's just jump into this. So we would need let's do something along these lines. Let's put this here, and let's see what something along these lines. SDL3 wiki. Here we go. Okay. API by category. Could it be SDL init? So yeah, looks like it. Yeah. Okay. So we have it. Yeah, init include. Okay, let's just do that. So let's just do init pers. There we go. And should automate this thing. What if we end up actually writing a package manager? No, we're not gonna do that. Okay, I'm gonna put you there, and if I run all this, everything's fine. If I by the way, if I remove this, oh yeah, it's not gonna care because it doesn't import it anywhere. That's fine. Okay. I don't need you, but I do need init as SEM, and let's borrow. Let's just borrow this. Oh, didn't I? Oh yeah. It's not super important, but like I think it's good anyway. Good practice. There we go. And just gonna do that. Oh, IO proc. There we go. Okay. So this is interesting. So let's see here. What we're gonna do is we need to set up. Okay. Let's do here. Doing import SDL3 shared library, and then to do FFI. Oh yeah. Let's just do something on these lines. Okay. Just to organize my thoughts. So I think I already added this here. I also added this. This is gonna be cool later on. But yeah, we added this. Okay. So I think I don't remember what it. How do I figure that out? How do I figure that out? Well, what we can do is actually. What we can do is. Well, I think what we can do is lib. Okay, so lib. There it is. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna do this. I don't know. Maybe I'm being actually. Can I? I'm not an expert on Nix. Is there like what if I do like command? Okay, so can I do? I mean, is it just like this? Okay. 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 So can I? No way. No, there's no way I can do this. No, that doesn't. No, that doesn't work. That doesn't work. No. Okay. Never mind. Okay. Here's what we're gonna do. Okay. Am I in a Nix shell now? If I do this. Oh, whatever. Okay. So I'm just gonna do this quick and dirty. There we go. Cool. Okay, whatever. Okay, that's not what I wanted to do, but I saw it there. There we go. Okay, so it lib SDL3 SO. Cool. Let's copy that. So let's and I think it's import shared load shared object, and I think now I can just do this. Cool. So now foreign entry, and I think this is what it's called, SDL3 in it. So let's see. Yes, it's in there. And if I do this, no, it's not in there. Cool. It's in there. Awesome. So what's the best way to do this? Because you can run this multiple times. It's fine. I wonder, because you can invoke this just like right there. So as soon as this, because the way it looks, if we look here, SDL3 init, the way it works is that it, as right now it's not using anything from that, so let's take another example. This here, foreign module, okay, right, include, which means that any effects has to happen at the end, and it doesn't run it until this module, well, not this specifically this module, but until the module is loaded. So it only loads it if it's needed. That's one way to do it. Another way is that you have to put these, where are we? Put these, I think I prefer to put them here, honestly. Let's do that for now. I mean, I mean, it's like, yeah, let's do this for now, because like if it were like package someone downloaded with Spago or whatever, the user cannot be expected, I don't think, to have to put these in here. But if the user wants, I mean, like this is the problem with Lisp, because it's so flexible. It's like you can get a little bit like you know, what is the length of a piece of string kind of thing. So we're just gonna do it here. Just gonna keep it all here, just because. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put in here, assert a bunch of these, just as a little what do you call it? Sanity check. But yeah, these should, yeah, like this stuff, you know, doesn't really belong here. I mean, it does belong with this, but again, I don't want to make a decision on this yet, so I'm gonna put it here. So I have it all in one place, and I can let this simmer in my brain while I figure out what I want. Okay, cool. Now here, what we do is, I'm thinking maybe we could just, yeah, we should probably just copy this, and let's go with quit as well. Okay, so let's go with let's shut this down. I don't think I'm gonna need anything from this. Okay, so all right, SDL. Okay, now bool here is it's an I'm pretty sure it's an 8-bit bool, and this if we don't know this, it can be troublesome sometimes. Okay, so let's see here, define, and let's just do this, and I'm guessing, yeah, okay. Okay, so we got these init flags, and init flags is represented as a 32-bit. Okay, cool. Okay, and this, yeah, it's a bitwise thing. Okay. And how am I representing? You know what? I'm just gonna hard code this, because I don't care. I don't care about that. Okay. IO proc, and I mean, it's just gonna be an effect anyway. We don't even need. Maybe it's good practice to do this. IO proc takes nothing, because that's what that does, right? It's also a weakness of Lisp. It's like we have to look up the implementation to know. Yeah. Cool. So All right, we want to do foreign procedure. Okay. The result. Okay, so we need. I think I'm just going to do define f type, and I'm just going to call it. I think it's called std bool, and this is unsigned 8. Okay. And then, if I remember this correctly, it's just a string for entry expression. Yeah. Yep. Okay. Unsigned 32. Cool. So oh right, yeah, of course. Let's see here. Oh, okay. So this needs. Let's see here. If we're gonna hard code a. Okay, let's just do. I'm just gonna do this here. We'll create a macro for this later on. Okay, cool. F, and now I'm picking it out. That might. I think it's fine, but let's do. Delay. There we go. Let's do a delay on this, and okay. So then we're going to force we'll just be more explicit with naming. Okay, force, and I'm just gonna put this here. There we go. There we go. Get foreign procedure. Cool. We can even do this. Define syntax. There we go. Cool. Okay. So now this will be. I don't know if this is like. I mean, what's the overhead of this? But I mean, it's a string, so maybe there's some. This returns a pointer. Now it returns a procedure, but it looks for a function pointer, and if we do delay, that means it's lazy, and it will only be evaluated once. It's going to cache the result, and so it will only be invoked when as late as possible. Like we will get this thing as late as possible, and we invoke it always with this. Okay, cool, and well, here we go. Okay, I don't need this anymore. I don't need this. Okay. Oh, that's easy. Okay. And void. So right, there we go. Technically, we could just do this. Is that true? No, that's not the same. That is absolutely not the same. No. Let's see. Well, so I wrote force here. Oh, technically I don't need force, but this is the same. Yeah, but let's do this because I want to be explicit about it. Okay, cool. All right, so we got these. Let's go in here, and I think foreign import. And now effect, and now we need, let's see here, we need, so oh wait, does this, can I actually do this? I believe I couldn't. Let's see here, source main. No, okay, yeah, I can do that, but I just can't have constraints. That's the thing with a foreign import. I cannot have constraints. I don't need this. Don't need this. Okay. Okay. And so, no, there we go. So some, oh wait, yeah. No. No, that's true, because I do want constraints actually. So okay. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna. I believe let's see. I put in a let's see here, unsafe cost, and this does what? It takes. Oh, okay. All right. Okay. Well, wait a minute. I'm sorry. This does not. Does this work? Because like. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So I can do that to add constraints. Okay. All right. Well, it's sort of this thing. And let's just copy this here. In here. So we're going to have something along these lines. I think I don't need this. And oh, I can't. It can't have his name. That doesn't work. That does not work. Okay. So we need to. Let's just do this. That's interesting. Cool. No. There. Right. Cool. So okay, so we got row effect, and we have I mean, I can just do this, right? Or even this, I believe. I thought I could. No. Wait. I thought I could. Can I please take me to this module? Okay, I've confused myself. Of course, this is the kind. This is the yeah. Okay, so I confused myself a little bit. Okay, yeah, because cool. It should probably be called IO2, but whatever. There we go. And does it return? No, it return. Oh, that's also interesting. So let's do something like this. I'm going to evoke this, and we are going to do positive because this is an integer. There we go. So we go evoke this, and then we get back a boolean. Cool. Boolean. All right. And this thing, let's just do this for now. This is unit. Should I just import prelude instead? There we go. By the way, do I have a format? Maybe not. Okay. All right. Cool. Now we want this. I'm thinking lax. Let's just call the effect as init, and so, oh, that's also interesting. Let's add that. Let's add that. So we allow SDL3 effects. Let's call this. Put this thing here. Okay. Okay. We're going to have this here, and then we're going to have SDL3 in it. And we're going to put you here. Okay. Can we? Oh, we don't need this anymore. And what are you saying? Unknown type. Really? Oh yeah, because you need. There we go. Sure. And let's see here. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Oh, okay. Well, what? Oh yeah. Okay. Right. I think that's correct. Boolean. Yep. There we go. There we go. Awesome. That's something on these nice. I don't know. Something. I don't know. Some kind of formatting. Okay, fuck it. It just keep it there. Whatever. Quit. So, okay. So just to be sure, here we're saying it has not been initialized before, and afterwards it has been initialized, and we keep this thing. Yeah, it requires also that SDL3 effects are allowed, and it returns a boolean. Interesting. Okay, cool. Quit. Let's see. I'm just gonna put this here. Maybe I'm being pedantic, but there we go. Put you here, and now we're just gonna do. I am just gonna copy this. Boink. And I'm gonna say. Oh. Oops. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Oh yeah, and units, and it's this here. Okay. Cool. Okay. Great. And I wonder, are we exporting these? So if I go in here, if I do yeah, it is exported. Okay, cool. Well, I only want to export these. And oh, what are you complaining about? Oh right, of course. Okay, cool. Okay, that's interesting because this should probably be in a different file. Let's do what if I do this? And then I'm gonna put these in here. Cool. And here I'm gonna import type great. Cool. Okay. So okay, now in here I wonder if I do oh, very good. There we go. Cool. And may I please have some oats, brother? No, wait, it's yeah, there we go. Okay. Oh. And what are you complaining about? You're complaining, yeah, of course. Cool. Bonk. Couldn't match, right? I think so. This is the thing with the error messages here. Because I think that the problem here. Yeah, exactly. Really cool that this works. It's really cool. But honestly, the error messages aren't. I mean, what is like? Look at this. Couldn't match. Okay, so it's like it's. Yeah, okay, we're going to learn how to read these because it says I'm expecting this, but I got this. This is what I'm like actually expected. I'm expected something, but I got this thing. Okay, while trying to match. Yeah. Okay, yeah, okay, sure. I mean, this is not the easiest. It's gonna be interesting. We'll just run with it, see how it goes. So now the question is this even gonna work? So let's see here. Duplicate. Oh. Invalid syntax. What did I do? Line 11 here. Line 11, not 911. Okay. What am I doing wrong? Oh, something. What is wrong here? Let's see. If I take this out, yeah, that's what's wrong. Cool. Be there. And did I do the same thing here? I think. Yeah. Cool. There we go. That's cool. Okay, so we did init. SDL3 init. Done. Oop. So it's the front pay by category. So I think it's like create window. No, index maybe. Okay. Create window, and we're in video. Okay, cool. All right, let's do this here. Well, I mean, it's I'm just gonna put that there. Cool. Something along these lines. Okay, cool. And we're gonna need a destroy window. I think it's called. I think we're gonna find. Oh yeah, get error is probably really nice to have. Let's get this thing. Let's just do this. And let's not decide now. And destroy window, right? There's window, yeah. Sorry, why is there no okay. Destroy window, there we go, cool. I thought it would be linked, but it was not. Cool. This will need something else as well to work. Poll event, I think it's, yeah, poll event. Because otherwise it will it will freeze. The whole window will freeze if we don't do poll event. This one's gonna be interesting. So let's just put that there. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I think that's like the minimal that we need. Well, technically we don't need get error, but I'm just gonna be a little bit pedantic. Put it there. But I'm pretty sure we're gonna want get error. It's good to have. Okay. Cool. Let's stop there and continue in the next video.